welcome back to another vlog. As you guys can see, I'm really pumped this morning. I'm really happy. I actually got a very good news, so I'm very happy. I'm really excited. If you're a returning watcher, thank you so much. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. It's currently 10:15 a.m. in the morning. The clock is there, guys. If you guys don't know, I have a clock there. I woke up like around 8, but I was trying to upload a video for you guys. I've been trying to upload a video since last night. I actually left the video uploading, and then I woke up this morning and the video was not uploading. And I don't know why, because SpectraNet really pisses me off, honestly. I don't know if I'm the only one that has this problem, but SpectraNet really has a way of really tormenting, like, we the consumers, we the users of that provider. You guys, I don't even want to start ranting about it because it really upset me this morning. But anyways, I'm already now trying again to upload my video with Airtel, because then again, it's raining, and when it rains, SpectraNet is inexistent. It doesn't work. I'm just trying to get that video out for you guys today, this morning to be specific. You guys like my nails, by the way. These nails, I did it myself at home. Aside that, I have two parties today. I have one family function that I'm always supposed to go to every Ilea, but for some reason today, I'm not just feeling it. I don't know if I'm gonna go or not. That's for one. Sorry guys, I don't know why I'm yawning, but I'm just feeling really relaxed and chilled this morning. So I don't know if I'm gonna go, guys. That's for one, but yeah, I'm supposed to go for that function, but I don't know if I'm gonna film there because old people stuff. I don't know how I feel about it. But I also have another party with one of my closest friends, and then she has a baby, so I'm happy to see her baby. I hope I'll be able to carry this camera all around because the struggle is not here. And I wanted to show you guys a product that I ordered for. I ordered for a couple of stuff. I want to show you guys some hair products I ordered for. I've opened it here to check it. I ordered for this Shine and Jam conditioning gel extra hold. I ordered for it on Monday and it came on Monday. I also ordered for the red one as well. They didn't have the red one in stock, so I decided to get this one, but I still pre-ordered for the red one. So once the red one comes, I'm going to be getting that one. So I told you guys I've opened it. So I actually wanted to get a bigger size of this stuff, but I decided this was the only one they had, which is 8 ounce instead of 16 ounce, which I wanted to get. But yeah, I've ordered for like more, so they are going to come. My review on this stuff, the hype is worth it, guys. I've never used anything like it before. Nothing like this, baby, honestly. For the smell, it smells okay. It has this, I don't know, this jelly, this particular one anyway, it has this like jelly at the same time funny kind of smell. Thing is really nice. It doesn't hold the hair, like gel the hair down and makes the hair really strong. Not that kind of hold, but it actually makes your braiding look very neat. Like, you guys will see that in the tutorial I'm putting up for you guys today. You guys will see how neat that braids was, even with everything that happened in that video. When you guys see, you guys will understand what I'm saying. All that stuff I already explained in that video. So I recommend that every natural hair, in fact, forget natural hair, I feel everybody should have this. I also ordered for this two stuff here as well. So this one is Extra Set Super Gloss Salon Tested Spirit for all types of hair. Super hold. It's actually good for like when you want to curl your hair or you want to roll your natural hair. This one will just really help, like really hold your style in when you're done rolling, keep your curls together, and that's why I ordered it, guys. So also I got this Designing and Holding Spirit Extra Hold Reversion Resistant. Yes, I also got this one. So it's like a spray gel. I've always said I don't really like to put like gel, like spray gels and things on my hair, or mousse and things like that. My hair is very stubborn, and the more I style it, the more I discover my hair. One thing I've noticed and I've realized about my hair is the more I style my hair, the more like I get to know like the kind of hair I have and stuff like that. And sometimes it really gets hard, it really gets frustrating when I'm just using like gel and edge control, and because my hair is thick natural hair, I'm going to flat iron my hair today. You guys are going to see it. I actually want to put heat on it. I've not put heat on it at all. I started my natural hair journey. I bought this spray gel so that every time I do like protective hairstyle, I can just spray a little bit of this. Not like I will go ham or anything, just to hold the hair down properly and make it last longer. 3 things I ordered. So thumbnail, guys. I don't know if I should say it because I feel like I'm a bad person trying to say it because she has already apologized to me. The seller of this product, one of this, I bought it from 2 sellers. The sellers of one of this product was a bitch. I want to rant and I want to ask. I don't know why people that sell hair are always like that. Most of people that sell hair, I've noticed that they always have like some screws loose in their head. Let me not talk about what happened anyways, but we had a quick back and forth and she was yelling at me like, who yells at their customer? Talking about how she was upset. And I blocked her everywhere. And then she was pissed. And then I'm not giving you guys this story. She already apologized to me, so that's fine. I want to go and get my coffee now. And then, so guys, I also went to get my laptop in the room so that I can see what is happening. And my video is fully uploaded already. Adding like all stuff into it and things like that. So my video is going live now. So my video now is live on my channel. Go watch that video. That's what will make me happy if you guys watch the video. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm out. I thought I was going to straighten my hair, so I'll still show you guys how I straighten my hair. If you guys see me looking this way, it's because my mirror is here. Like I told you guys before, I said I've never put heat on my hair and I've been natural for close to 6 to 7 months now. So I just want to do that for you guys on camera and let's see how this hair does. As I've taken the hair out, I'll go ahead and add my water mixture and olive oil. That's all I add on my hair these days. My leave-in conditioner, I don't like the fact that it leaves like a residue on my hair. I'm not loving that part of it, so. So I'm going to be taking my favorite straightener. The heat is actually on 215, but I think I'll leave the heat on 200. So I'm trying not to get to the end, to the root of my hair, just so in case there's going to be any sort of damage or I'm going to go ahead and do the rest and then I'll come back to you guys. This is the last bit I'm doing. I couldn't do everything on camera because this is not a hair tutorial, so what I wanted you guys to see. Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. So it's currently past 5 now. I'm heading out now to the Ilea party I told you guys about that I was going with my childhood friend. I'm very late. I've been lying to her that I'm coming. Plus I forgot my camera at home and I'm going to be using my phone for the rest of this vlog. Yeah, I hope to vlog everything that's happening there. But now I'm currently in the Uber and I'm making my way down. I'll let you guys know what's up when I get there. I'll check in back with you guys when I get to the venue. So I'm actually going somewhere around Lekki. Yeah, I'll check in back with you guys. Bye. So this is the decor they have at the venue and I love the fact that there are lights everywhere. It really makes you feel like it is festive season, guys. And this is what we came here for. Food. This is what I came here for. They had like so many really nice luscious food. but these are the only things I ate because I was already filled up before I got to the party. But yeah, and this is ram meat. If you guys know what Ileya is about, the Muslim festival, there is no party without ram meat, guys. And yeah, this is me on my way home. I was so tired. I just had to do a quick view of the road and how beautiful Lagos is. Welcome to Lagos, Nigeria. Beautiful place. So I'll probably check in with you guys tomorrow. I am so tired. It's been a long day. Bye, guys. Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Yesterday when I got back home, I couldn't even tell you guys what happened. Like there was no way I could. Please, can we talk about how stretched out my hair looks, how stretched out it looks? Can we talk about it first? Anyways, yesterday when I got back, God, I was tired. Like I was literally very tired. I had so much fun at the party. I tried as much as possible to like capture like the important moments, like food, couple of activities here and there. I was so tired. I think I had too much alcohol, to be honest. I drank a bit. I drank a bit too much. But yeah, so by the time I got home really late. I think I got home like to 12. So there was no way I could even contribute doing any. I couldn't check in back with you guys. I was very tired. I had to sleep because this morning I am filming my client for you guys. I have a client this morning for makeup. Ooh, I'm so happy now. I'm taking like makeup bookings and stuff. So I have a client this morning that's coming over. So I'm filming everything for you guys. I'm going to film everything from start to finish for you guys. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm very happy about that. I had to even wake up early. There was no way I couldn't wake up early because obviously I had a client this morning. Let me show you guys. I already did the setup, but let me show you guys the setup. Wait. Let me show you guys this setup. I'm trying to turn my camera. So this is the setup that this is the current situation at the moment. So yeah, this is like everything I am using today for the client. I always like to prep everything down like this. You know, it just really gives you like easy access and you know exactly what you want to do. So we have let me even zoom in for you guys though. So we have Morphe, we have Inglot, we have Pond's, we have Sleek foundations as well. We have Sleek foundations, we have like Juvia's palettes, we have the NYX, baby wipes, brushes. We're going to be using MAC foundation. That's lashes. This is my makeup box that I always use, but I just closed it up because. But let me show you guys what's in my makeup box. Let me just show you guys the situation of my box. This is just lipsticks here, lip pencils, concealers here, mascara, more lipsticks as well. Here I have all sort of foundations, just a couple of things, beauty blenders and all that stuff there. So that is that. The appointment was supposed to be for 11, but she's delaying me. God, you guys, I don't like things like this, but I don't have a choice. You know when you're just starting up with stuff, and then she already kind of explained to me anyway. Something came up this morning for her, so I'm just waiting for her to home. By the way guys, I had so much shisha to and my throat has been hurting me. Good luck. Like I actually regret it because my throat has been really hurting me. I don't know if it's the flavor, if it's the corn. I don't know what I'm reacting to. I'm probably going to show a bit of this whole makeup thing in my vlog, but I think she's calling me. I think she's here. Hey God, you've not left. Jesus. I don't think she has even left her house. I'm literally very upset, but what can I do? I'll definitely check in back with you guys. Bye! So later on in the day, I had to get something to eat, and of course I had to make some tea because the sore throat was real at this point. And I made some rice and ram stew. I got some takeaway from the party. This stuff is my favorite, one of my favorites. I really love it. It was in a rice mix package and I love it. I've been looking for it everywhere, but I hope I can get it. Someone said they can get it from me from England, so I am literally waiting. It's so nice because I have a flute, so I think this will be very good for me. So I'm just gonna take one of this. And guys, let me tell you guys something. One of the reasons why I'm taking this tea is because I have a sore throat. Like I said, it's still really bad. I'm still really going through it. I think it's the shisha. It's just really hurting me around here really bad. This is my tea. I'm just gonna sit down on my bed, and that's my laptop down there. I'm trying to edit. That's my Mac passport there, my internet. So here by the side of my bed, I have my tea here, just waiting up for that to cool off, and then also my water, and I'm editing the new video that I want to post for you guys. Just trying to do everything that I'm supposed to do. So this video is going to be up. By the way, I'm taking bookings now. I'm going to be leaving it for you guys in the description bar below. So if you like my makeup, if you like my touch, then let me continue editing my video. I had to turn off the lights because I'm feeling sick because of this sore throat. This is me saying peace out, guys. Yeah. Hey guys.